Dear learners, have you ever wondered why society tells us how to dress, look, or behave? This is not just culture, it is politics. Today, we will understand body politics in a simple way. Body politics refers to how society and systems of power control, regulate, and judge human bodies. Body politics মানে হৈছে সমাজে আমাৰ শৰীৰক নিয়ন্ত্ৰণ আৰু মূল্যায়ন কৰা এটা system. At its core, body politics is about power over the body. Who decides what is normal? Who controls your choices? Who defines beauty? Body politics appears in many areas of life like dress codes, beauty standards, skin color bias, gender roles, and reproductive rights as well. Body politics become important during feminist movements, when women demanded control over their own bodies, freedom from objectification, and equal rights. The body is not outside politics, it is part of it. Society uses the body to control people, shape identity, and maintain power. Think about daily life. Why are girls told to dress properly? Why are boys told not to cry? These are examples of body politics that you can find around us. Our body is not just personal, it is shaped by society, culture, and power. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to English for Assamese students. Thank you.